I always get this question on what we can do to improve the predictability and quality of the program used to monitor and test oils and maintain oils. And the very basic building blocks of the programs often have several holes in them that are catastrophic enough to prevent any valuable information from coming forward in that program. And it's sort of like if the foundation isn't strong, there's nothing to build the maintenance program on. I mean, I almost sound like a broken record talking about oil analysis, but it all starts with doing the right test at the right time to the right test standard. You'd be surprised to learn that most programs are not only doing the wrong tests at the wrong time or missing tests completely, but that the lab is not even doing the industry standard test method because it's not conducive to running a business and getting all samples done the same day that they come in. We get customers calling us asking, can you rush the oil sample through? And I said, well, I would love to for you, but this one test takes 100 hours. We can't rush through a test that requires 100 hours to do it. Otherwise, it's not in compliance with the test method. Dialing back your program, getting the right test, the right time to the right test standard is a foundation from which you can build an incredible program from. In terms of building predictability into the program, once you have rock solid data and you can actually compare turbines in your fleet to each other, the same machine on the same oil with the same oil testing should be showing you some very interesting trends in terms of what the duty cycle is on the asset and how it is compared to our target levels. And then optimize the maintenance program to get them consistent and, more importantly, take it one step further. Implement proactive maintenance that's targeting the root cause of the oil issues in the first place or the contamination issues in the first place. If you can prevent the ingress of a certain type of contaminant, there might be 90% less maintenance to do in the first place, right? So to get predictability, you got to start with the foundation and then figure out what the pain points are. Using first principles, solve those pain points so that you have less contamination in the first place. And then for the remaining quality issues, implement solutions that proactively manage those. By doing that, you can have super high levels of integrity and confidence in the program that you've just implemented at your company.